Hi, I'm John B. from What Drives Us. Here behind me is the 2020 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid. It's been completely redesigned for 2020 with several new key technological advancements. Let's take a few minutes to go over them. All right, What Drives Us viewers, let's cut to the chase. We want to know the MPG numbers on this brand new Sonata Hybrid. Now, the blue trim will be the most economical trim, and it's projected to get... That can't be right. Holy shit. We'll edit that out. It is projected to get 50 mpg in the city, 54 highway, and 52 combined. That combined figure does tie the Camry LE Hybrid, but 54 mpg is class leading. What that means is you're expected to get 662 miles on a tank. That is incredible. For all the other trim levels, we're still looking at 45 city, 51 highway, and 47 combined. That's very comparable to the Accord Hybrid at 47 and the Camry Hybrid SE and XLE Hybrid at 46. Now that highway number at 51 is still class leading. Now this new Sonata Hybrid will come in 3 levels: Blue, SEL, and Limited trim. Now all packages will come with Hyundai's Smart Sense safety technology. That includes your standard forward collision warning with braking, radar adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, which works both on the highway and city streets, as well as reverse collision avoidance with pedestrian detection. The 2020 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid receives the same redesign as the regular Sonata. It has the same expressive front grille with the LED daytime running lights that blend into the chrome strips at the side of the car. The new addition for the Sonata Hybrid is active grille shutters. Now these will close at highway speeds to improve aerodynamics and at low speeds to help engine warm up. Moving over the hood, we'll see the most expressive new feature up on the roof, the new solar panels. Now this covers the entire roof. It consists of 2 separate panels. Total output is 205 watts. Now Hyundai estimates that if you park this out in the sun, on average, you will receive about 2 miles a day. That doesn't seem like much at first, but Hyundai expects that you will total 700 miles on average over an entire year of just running on solar energy. This will charge both the 12-volt battery and the hybrid battery. Other technological features will include a digital key and heated and ventilated front seats. Moving along to the side of the car, you can see it is quite a long vehicle at just over 16 feet long. It's about 6 feet wide. Now the dimensions are essentially the same as its competitors, the main rivals, the Camry and the Accord. It is slightly longer and slightly taller, but other than that, it basically competes in that same market. For the 2020 model year, Hyundai has moved the hybrid battery out of the trunk. And what that means is we get an additional 2.5 cubic feet of space for a total of 15.8, making it fairly competitive with the rest of the hybrid midsize sedans. Now one bonus, Hyundai has managed to keep a space-saver spare tire for this Hyundai Sonata. Now another advantage of moving the hybrid battery out of the trunk is now we get 60/40 split folding seats. Pull the release back here in the trunk and the seats fold. They don't fold completely flat, but at least now you have a reasonably large opening, increasing the cargo flexibility of this mid-size hybrid sedan. We're now sitting inside the 2020 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid Limited. Now this light interior has been completely redesigned, similar to the regular gas Sonata. Here we have a 10.3-inch multifunction display. This allows up to 2 Bluetooth devices to be paired, so that one can be paired for phone use and another can be paired for streaming capabilities. In the instrument cluster, we have a 10.25 Supervision digital instrument cluster as well. Now going back to that digital key I mentioned earlier, this new feature allows you to open and start the Hyundai with a mobile app. And what this allows is for the drivers to allow family members to start and operate the vehicle without having the physical key. The owner of the vehicle is allowed to set total driving time for the vehicle top speed, and there's even a valet mode. This really opens up the opportunity to allow this vehicle to be shared amongst family members or even ride sharing without having to physically hand over the key. The previous version of the Hyundai Sonata was a capable and comfortable hybrid. We can only speculate on this redesign that it will build on that. We look forward to test driving this new Sonata Hybrid, and we project it will make a splash when it becomes available this spring. Pricing will be available closer to launch. If Hyundai releases any new announcements about the Sonata Hybrid, we will certainly talk about it on What Drives Us. Subscribe to our YouTube page at youtube.com/whatdrivesus. Be sure to like our Facebook page at facebook.com/whatdrivesus. Listen to our podcast on iTunes, Stitcher, and Spotify. I'm John B., and this is the 2020 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid at the Chicago Auto Show.